This video is to give credit to two people on YouTube that really helped me. And this is a Troy Bilt pony. And I had trouble starting last year. I could bump it 3 times and then it'd start. And this spring it would not start. So let me get to the point here. And the first person, and maybe the only person that told me that told me to run your jumper cable from the ground side of your starter, right there, from the ground side of your starter to the ground of your battery. And I did that, and lo and behold, it worked. And I followed the ground side of the battery to the chassis, the frame underneath, okay? And where this ground cable attaches to the bodywork, and that's your ground, it was painted. So I took a grinder and ground the chassis so it would have a good ground. And that did the job. So the person that I wish that thing would stop. The person that was on, I'm gonna give you the title. It was on the how-to channel, but the title of the video that really helped me was, my gosh, I wish that thing would stop. The title was Troubleshooting a Lawn Tractor That Won't Start. Bad Starter Ground. And that was one of my main problems. So down in the description, I will list his full title, and it doesn't give his name. Okay, now the second problem I had apparently was the valves that need to be adjusted. And in the first channel I went to, the first video I went to, I think is the guys are funny, and they get to the point. They don't hem-haw around. And I'm going to give you the name of that channel, Terry, T-A-R-Y, Terry Fixes All. And they are entertaining, but he gets to the point. And he tells you how to adjust these overhead valves. And I am barely a shade tree mechanic. So T-A-R-Y, Terry really helped me on that. It's simple, you can do it. And I think my lawnmower had two problems, Had two problems. It had the ground on the starter wasn't what it ought to be, or the ground on the battery was not what it ought to be, plus my valves, I guarantee you, I've already done one, they're out of adjustment. So I'm going to give these two guys the credit, and thank y'all for helping me. And I'm a beekeeper, and I'm not trying to advertise my channel, but Walls Bee Man, my gosh, that thing won't stop going off. I'm Walls Bee Man, and I help people that want to keep honeybees. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye.